comes in two sizes, the 6.1-inch and the new 6.7-inch Plus model. It has an XDR 1200 nits double ceramic shield display, a 12-megapixel front-facing camera with 49% improved low light with the same A15 Bionic chip that was in the iPhone 13 Pros. But with new thermal improvements, you're basically getting an upgraded iPhone 13 and 14 body without a telephoto lens, but with all the new crash detection and emergency satellite communication features. Both the 14s and the 14 Pros have the ability to shoot in action stabilization mode for super smooth gimbal-like video. The iPhone 14s will start at $799, with the Plus option starting at $899. There's the A16 Bionic chip, upgraded larger camera sensor that shoots 48-megapixel photos. It has a 4K cinematic mode and all of the same new satellite and crash detection features as the 14. The dynamic island is also only available on the Pros, while the iPhone 14 still has the notch-like cutout as before. You'll also have the ability to shoot a new 2x mode, adding to the 0.5, 1, and 3 times telephoto. The Pros are starting at $999 with up to 1 terabyte of storage. Pro and the regular iPhone 14 is they still do have the notch, but the Pros are the ones that have the upgraded dynamic island. And why they call it this is because while it looks like that's just a normal cutout, they've turned this into a feature. So when we open up some music and we swipe up to play it, you'll notice that it pops up here and it's interactive. So when we start the timer and we close that, that also pops up there in our dynamic island, and we can long press to bring them up and to close. So it's kind of like another little notification hub, which is kind of cool. So here's some of the new colors. This is the space black, we've got the purple, and this is the white kind of purplish color, which is very faint, but it's really, really